Exodus Mobile Wallet Pricing explained what you get for your money. If you're looking for a sleek, all-in-one mobile crypto wallet, Exodus is a popular choice, but many people get confused about its pricing. The surprising truth is that Exodus itself is completely free to download and use. You can store, send, and receive over 300 cryptocurrencies without paying a subscription fee. Most of the costs come from network transaction fees, which are standard on any blockchain. For example, sending Bitcoin might cost a few dollars depending on network congestion, while sending Ethereum tokens could be higher if the network is busy. Exodus provides a slider to adjust your fees, letting you choose between faster transactions or lower costs. Exodus also offers in-app trading. While convenient, this comes with a built-in spread or service fee, usually around 2–5% depending on the asset. The good news is that this fee is transparent and there are no hidden charges. You also have the option to integrate hardware wallets like Trezor for enhanced security, which requires a one-time hardware purchase but no additional software fees. The surprising truth is that Exodus combines a beautiful, intuitive interface with powerful features. You get free portfolio tracking, one-tap swaps, and even crypto staking on select assets, all without monthly fees. Your only ongoing costs are network fees dictated by the blockchain itself. In conclusion, Exodus Mobile Wallet provides excellent value for your money. You can manage multiple cryptocurrencies, track your portfolio, and even stake tokens all within a free, user-friendly app. By understanding where the fees actually come from, you can use Exodus efficiently and enjoy a full-featured crypto experience without surprises.